Amy, when are you headed back?
I'm going tomorrow.
You stay for the week.
I have stuff I need to catch up on.
When are you headed back? Means, when are you going back? When will you return? Examples. It feels like you just arrived yesterday. When are you headed back? I want to spend more time with you before you leave. 2. Thanks for visiting us. When are you headed back? I'll pack some food for your journey.
So when you heading back up?
When'd you head back to college?
Wait, when are we heading back?
I have stuff I need to catch up on. Means, you have things you haven't finished yet, and you need to do them soon. Examples. 1. I can't go out today. I have stuff I need to catch up on. Sorry, I'm late replying. I have stuff I need to catch up on.
I have some work I have to catch up on here.
What? We have a lot to catch up on.
I know you have a lot to catch up on.
Come on, babe. I know you're mad.
Open up, Sarah.
Yes, wants everything special. Everything special.
I know you're mad. Means, I know you are angry or I can see that you are upset. Examples. I know you're mad, but I didn't do it on purpose. 2. I know you're mad. Your eyes say everything but please. Don't shut me out. 3. I know you're mad, so I'll give you some space. 4. I know you're mad, but I'm still here, and I'm not giving up on us.
I know you're mad. I know you're mad.
I know you're mad.
Mad?
I thought you were going back to the dorm.
I wanted to make sure you're okay first. You're almost out of here. Just keep your head down and be cool, okay?
Somebody has to stand up to him.
I wanted to make sure you're okay means I was worried about you. Or I wanted to check if you're fine, safe, happy. Examples. I called you because I wanted to make sure you're okay. You were quiet today, so I wanted to make sure you're okay. You didn't reply last night. I just wanted to make sure you're okay.
And then I wanted to make sure you're okay.
Well, I just wanted to make sure that you're okay.
Somebody needed to stand up to him means someone had to face him, stop him, or tell him he was wrong because he was being too bossy, rude, or unfair. Examples. She was shouting at everyone. Somebody needed to stand up to her. 2. The boss was being unfair. Somebody needed to stand up to her. 3. She always controls everyone. Somebody needed to stand up to her.
Finally, you're standing up to him.
No! They need someone to stand up for them!
No one stands up to him.
She promised that she wouldn't run off like that again.
She broke a lot of promises.
She's run off before, right?
Yes.
Well, she's 18, which means she can come and go as she pleases. Isn't it?
She promised that she wouldn't run off like that. Meaning, she said she will not suddenly leave or go away quickly like that again. Examples. 1. She promised that she wouldn't run off like that during school trips. My little sister promised she wouldn't run off like that in the mall. 3. Hey, you can't go running off like that without telling me. 4. You hear me? Now don't go running off again. I was really worried.
You are. You can't run off like that.
You can't go running off like that, buddy. Please.
Y'all can't go running off like that, you hear?
Now don't go running off again.
Well, she's 18, which means she can come and go as she pleases. It means she is an adult, so she can decide for herself when to leave or return. She doesn't need permission anymore. Examples. She's 18 now, so she can come and go as she pleases without asking her parents. 2. He's an adult, which means he can come and go as he pleases. 3. My sister turned 18, so she can come and go as she pleases. We can't control her anymore.
She can do as she pleases.
She comes and goes as she pleases.
So she just comes and goes as she pleases.
We've already filed a missing persons report. But without any leads, that's about all I can do at this point. I've been doing this for 20 years. Usually, these situations resolve themselves.
We've already filed a missing persons report. Means we already went to the police and reported that someone is missing. The report has been submitted. It's already done. Examples. Don't worry. We've already filed a missing persons report. The police are searching now. Her sister has been gone for 2 days. They've already filed a missing persons report. 3. We've already filed a missing persons report. So what should we do next?
I need to file a missing persons report.
You didn't file a missing persons report.
Address, his wife filed a missing persons report.
That's about all I can do at this point. Mean. I cannot do anything more right now. I have done everything I can for now. It shows limit, no more options, or no more help available at this moment. Examples. A. Can you fix my phone today? B. I already checked the battery and the settings. That's about all I can do at this point. 2. I cleaned all the rooms and washed the dishes. That's about all I can do at this point. 3. I tried talking to her, but she won't listen. That's about all I can do at this point.
I think that at this point, it's more something that I do.
At this point, that's all she'd be doing anyway.
I'm sorry, that's the best I can do at this point.
Who was that? Any news?
If I hear anything, you'll be the first to know.
If I hear anything, you'll be the first to know. It means, if I get new information, I will tell you immediately before I tell anyone else. It shows promise, care, and respect. Examples. I haven't heard anything about your sister yet, but if I hear anything, you'll be the first to know. Don't worry. If I hear anything about him, you'll be the first to know.
So the second we find out anything, you'll be the first to know. As soon as they tell me, you'll be the first to know. Well,
As soon as I do, you'll be the first to know.
Hey! So sorry, I didn't recognize you. Your hair.
yeah, well, gotta grow up sometime, right?
I'm so sorry I didn't recognize you. It means you apologize because you didn't realize who the person was. Maybe they changed their look, or you didn't see them clearly, or you were surprised. Examples. 1. I'm so sorry I didn't recognize you. You look so different with short hair. 2. I'm so sorry I didn't recognize you earlier. I was really distracted. 3. I'm so sorry I didn't recognize you. It's been so long since we last met.
I'm sorry I didn't recognize you.
Sorry, I didn't recognize you.
I'm sorry that I didn't recognize.
Gotta grow up sometime, right? Means you cannot stay childish forever. At some point, you must act more mature or responsible. It's usually said in a casual, friendly way. Examples. 1. I can't keep spending money like this. I gotta grow up sometime, right? 2. He finally got a job. Well, he gotta grow up sometime. 3. I moved out of my parents' house. Gotta grow up sometime, right?
But you gotta grow up sometime.
We all gotta grow up sometime.
I know we gotta grow up sometime, but
He's lying. He's just making stuff up. I knew it. I think he's really nice about it.
He's just making stuff up. It means he is saying things that are not true. He is inventing stories. Examples. Don't believe him. He's just making stuff up. 2. He said I stole his phone, but he's just making stuff up. 3. Stop making stuff up and tell the truth. 4. She wasn't there. He's just making stuff up to look innocent.
This is ridiculous. You're just making stuff up.
Yeah, you're just making stuff up now.
And now she's just making stuff up.
You living here now?
No. Mom says I don't visit enough, so I'm here for the weekend.
Mom says I don't visit enough, so I'm here for the weekend. Means my mother thinks I don't come to see her often, so I decided to come visit her and stay for the weekend. Examples. She says I don't come home often, so I flew back to see her. 2. Mom says I'm always away, so I came home for the weekend. 3. My parents say I don't visit much, so I'm staying with them for a few days.
I'm just visiting my parents for the week.
I'm gonna go home for the weekend and visit my mom and dad. Now,
See my mom for the weekend.
Get that look off your face. You look just like her.
Who?
Your grandmother. She always had this sour look on her face. Like nothing was ever good enough.
Get that look off your face. Means stop making that expression. Usually the speaker thinks the other person looks angry, annoyed, guilty, or disrespectful. Examples. 1. Get that look off your face. I know you're not happy, but this is the rule. 2. Don't give me attitude. Get that look off your face. 3. She told her son to get that look off his face when he started rolling his eyes.
What? Get that look off your face. What's wrong?
So get that look off your face.
Get that look off your face.
She always had this sour look on her face. Means she always looked unhappy, angry, or annoyed. Her face looked like she didn't like something. Examples. 1. Every morning, she walks into the office with a sour look on her face. 2. He asked her what was wrong because she had a sour look on her face. 3. When she saw the messy room, she had a sour look on her face.
You get this look on your face?
She used to get this look on her face, and
She gets this look on her face like...
He treats you like garbage. I just do. You don't know him. You barely let us speak to him. That's true. Yeah.
You barely let us speak to him. This phrase means you almost didn't allow us to talk to him, or you gave us very little chance to talk to him. You can use this sentence like this. 1. You barely let us speak to him yesterday. We only talked for 1 minute. 2. Why did you rush us? You barely let us speak to him. 3. We waited so long, but you barely let us speak to him before you took him away.
You gotta take better care of yourself. You look like hell.
Shut up! Don't talk to her like that.
You gotta take better care of yourself. You look like hell. This phrase means the person looks very tired, sick, stressed, or worn out, and someone is telling them to take better care of their health. You can use this sentence like this. 1. You gotta take better care of yourself. You look like hell. Did you sleep at all last night? 2. Hey, are you okay? You look like hell. Maybe you should take a day off. 3. I told you to slow down. Now look at you. You look like hell. Don't talk to her like that. This phrase means don't speak to her in a rude, disrespectful, or bad way. You can use this sentence like this. Hey, don't talk to her like that. She didn't do anything wrong. 2. Don't talk to her like that in front of everyone. 3. I told him, don't talk to her like that, because he was shouting.
Don't talk to her like that.
Hey,
Mama, don't talk to her like that.
Don't talk to her like that.
Sometimes. You thought it was a good choice, but it's a bad choice.
You thought it was a good choice, but it's a bad choice. This phrase means you believe something was a good idea before, but now you realize it is actually a bad idea. You can use this sentence like this. 1. You thought it was a good choice, but it's a bad choice. Buying that cheap phone will cause problems later. too. You thought it was a good choice, but it's a bad choice. Trusting him again will only hurt you.